Because I've learned about it after na ginawa ko yung desisyon na parang, okay, if you can't do it, I'll let go. Nalaman ko yun, parang ako, okay, it's none of my business anymore. Kasi
okay. It is your business kasi girlfriend ka eh.
I was his girlfriend.
Tumatawag na. Okay.
Hindi.
Hindi ganito, basta ito, klaro, itong scenario, bali, okay. Si Kian, ang kalalili, boyfriend mo, tapos may kaibigan kang anak ng singer na sumisikat din ngayon, tapos na may girlfriend pala na si Stoplight. Okay, ganon, di ba? So in other words, si RC Munoz tsaka si Stoplight pinagsabay. At si Stoplight, nagsabay din. Ganon ba?
Ako, I have no idea talaga about that. Basta, all I know, nung kami, he changed a lot. And para sa akin, I think, oo, meron.
Okay.
There is something talaga that is happening. And then he mentioned that before that girl, before, nung kami.
Si Stoplight.
Diba? Oo,
Okay.
ano dito?
Okay.
He mentioned that girl before. I don't know kung
Si Green na lang, Green. Okay.
Si
okay.
Green. Okay, si Green.
So, pero, kinumpronta mo siya nung sinayo ba kay Kian na, hoy, wag mo ako pag nagloloko dahil alam ko na ang pangyayari. Did you tell him that?
Kasi ako, sobrang confident ako, tito. Kasi I know I got him wrapped around my fingers. Kasi okay ako eh. I'm doing great. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm fine. Nung nalaman ko yun, mga 2 days after na sinabi ko sa kanya na okay, I'm letting go. Kasi you can't do it. Then I will. Kasi I'm not stupid nga. Nalaman ko yun, 2 days after na nun. So ako, and that was Christmas night. Noche Buena. And then he texted me like, Merry Christmas, Mona. Ganyan. Tapos ako, oh yeah, Merry Christmas. He asked me, how am I? Sabi ko, I'm doing great and happy ako. I'm not gonna ask you na if you're okay. Kasi I know, oo naman talaga. Ayoko na, i-open. Kung siya nag-decision nun it's not my loss anyway.
It is not. Especially not for a guy like that. Pero bakit mo ayaw banggatin yung pangalan ni Stoplight?
Ayoko sa akin manggaling. Sila na lang.
Teka muna, si Stoplight...
Si Kian na lang.
Si Stoplight ba, tsaka si yung anak ng singer, sila pa rin?
Ngayon?
Oo.
I don't know. I guess not anymore Kasi hindi na. Like 2 weeks ata.
Okay, so in other words, so ngayon, ang ona ngayon si Kian at saka si Stoplight.
Ay, naku! I don't know. Ask them.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay.
Naku.
May gusto ko bang iparating kay Miss Green?
Ay, kay Miss Green?
Dalawa lang naman yun. Red, green, yellow. Okay.
Well, I know na everything happens for a reason, Tito. And this is God's plan for me. So, kailangan I need to focus on my career and my family. Ang dami kong natutunan I must thank them. Kung sila ngayon, I don't know, di ba? But I must thank them.
Ba't parang may bitterness?
Hindi, dito. Ewan ko, I have no idea talaga. But you better, if you wanna know more about it, just ask them. Pero sa akin, I wanna thank them talaga. Kasi...
Ask them, tell us na lang.
I wanna thank them. Because I've learned a lot from this experience na, you can fall for the same guy twice pala and like break your heart twice with the same guy din. He's my first boyfriend. So, so yun, I want to thank them because I've learned a lot and ngayon, nag-grow ako and I've realized na meron ako mas bigger priorities in life like my career and my family na magpo-focus ako. And I wanna, kasi Kian's parent has been so nice to me. So if it matters, I wanna say sorry kasi I don't want them to get involved pa.
Ikaw pa nag-sorry. Ikaw na nga.
I did to his parents because they're so nice talaga. And yun. And to them, I wanna thank them. And look at me, I'm doing great, Kian. Yeah, I hope ikaw din.
Yun ang message mo sa kanya.
Yeah, I hope you are din. Look, I'm doing great, right?
Okay. O sige, ito lang ang message ko kay Kian. Kian, you cannot do that to any other girl anymore. Okay? At
That's
dun
been told
sa
to me.
girl, okay, etong message ko sa'yo, stop. Okay? At with that, maraming salamat. Talagang
Thank you,
gusto ko
Tito.
talaga. Really, go girl in 2010.
Go.
Okay,
Yeah.
maraming salamat.
Asa.
At narito yung dalawang go, go, go.
Up later! Adjura Penica at Chris Bernal may malaking pagsubok na harapin ang Lab Team ngayong 2010. Pabuhay naman ng ESO ng bagong taon sasagutin nila dito mismo sa Star Talk Live.
Up next! Panluloko sa mga tao, motibo raw ng paninira kay Richard Gomez sa Ormoc. At pagiging close ni Maxine Magalona kay JC Cuseco, malaking tulong daw para maibsan ang kulungkutan niya noong mawala ang kanyang amang si Francis M. Abangan niyo yan dahil susunod na yan.
Ganun talaga yung style ng mga kalaban namin.